Staying active is important for maintaining physical and mental health, but going to the gym isn't always the most appealing option. Fortunately, there are plenty of other ways to stay active without hitting the weights or hopping on a treadmill. Welcome to this health channel. In this video, we'll explore some of the best ways to stay active without going to the gym. Go for a walk. Walking is one of the simplest and most effective forms of exercise. It's low impact, easy on the joints, and can be done anywhere. Whether you're walking around your neighborhood, a local park, or a nature trail, walking is a great way to get some fresh air and exercise. To make your walks more interesting, try adding some variety. You could walk at different speeds or on different terrains, or you could explore new areas to keep things fresh. Try yoga. Yoga is a low-impact exercise that can be done at home or in a group setting. It's great for building strength, flexibility, and balance, and can help reduce stress and anxiety. There are plenty of free yoga resources available online, including instructional videos and apps. You can also find local yoga classes, which can be a great way to meet new people and build a sense of community. Dance it out. Dancing is a fun and engaging way to stay active. You can dance to your favorite music at home or take a dance class at a local studio. Dancing can improve your coordination, balance, and flexibility, and can help boost your mood. If you're not sure where to start, look for local dance studios that offer beginner classes. You could also search for instructional videos online, or try dancing along to your favorite music at home. Join a sports team. Playing a team sport is a great way to stay active while also building social connections. There are plenty of community sports leagues that offer everything from soccer to basketball to ultimate frisbee. Joining a sports team can help you build new friendships, improve your fitness, and add some variety to your routine. You could also try joining a recreational league, which is less competitive and more focused on having fun. Go for a swim. Swimming is a low-impact exercise that's great for building endurance and cardiovascular health. It's also a great way to cool off during the hot summer months. Look for local pools or community centers that offer swim programs. You could also try open water swimming at a nearby lake or beach, but be sure to take the necessary safety precautions. Do bodyweight exercises. You don't need a gym or equipment to get a good workout. Bodyweight exercises, like push-ups, squats, and lunges, can be done anywhere and are great for building strength and endurance. There are plenty of free resources online that offer bodyweight workouts, including videos and apps. You could also create your own routine and challenge yourself to improve over time. Go for a bike ride. Biking is a great way to explore new areas while also getting some exercise. It's low impact, easy on the joints, and can be done alone or with friends. Look for local bike paths or trails, or explore new areas on your own. You could also try joining a local biking group, which can be a great way to meet new people and build a sense of community. Try a new hobby. There are plenty of hobbies that can help you stay active, like gardening, woodworking, or even rock climbing. Hobbies are a great way to keep your mind and body engaged while also building new skills. Look for local classes or workshops that offer opportunities to try new hobbies. You could also search online for tutorials or instructional videos, or connect with local groups that share your interests. Take the stairs. Taking the stairs instead of the elevator is a simple way to add some activity to your day. It can help improve your cardiovascular health and build strength in your legs. Try taking the stairs at work or when running errands. You could also set a goal to climb a certain number of stairs each day or each week to challenge yourself. Play with your kids or pets. If you have kids or pets, playing with them can be a fun and engaging way to stay active. You could play catch, go for a walk, or even chase each other around the yard. Playing with your kids or pets can help improve your mood, build social connections, and provide a sense of purpose. It can also be a great way to bond with your loved ones. Do household chores. Believe it or not, household chores can be a great way to stay active. Cleaning, cooking, and doing laundry all require physical activity and can help you burn calories. To make your household chores more engaging, try turning on some music or setting a timer to challenge yourself to complete tasks more quickly. In conclusion, staying active doesn't have to mean going to the gym. There are plenty of ways to stay active that are fun, engaging, and accessible. Whether you're walking, dancing, or playing with your pets, finding ways to stay active can improve your physical and mental health and help you feel your best. So get out there, try something new, and have fun staying active. Incorporating physical activity into your daily routine can have a positive impact on your health and well-being. By trying out a variety of different activities, And making small changes to your routine, you can find the ones that work best for you. And remember, staying active is not just good for your physical health, but also for your mental health, helping to reduce stress and improve your mood. So, start incorporating some of these tips into your daily routine and stay active without ever stepping foot in a gym. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you at the next one.